Wait, your iPhone can share your info just by touching another phone? Let's debunk this now. Shout out to its cybersecurity girl for her awesome videos on this. The claim: iPhones will automatically share contact info with strangers. A November 26 Instagram post warns of a purported iPhone security risk. If you have an iPhone and have done the recent iOS 17 update, they have set a new feature called NameDrop to default to on, the post reads in part. This allows the sharing of contact info and pics just by bringing your phones close together, even with strangers. So, Apple dropped this new feature called NameDrop. Sounds cool but also kinda scary, right? Here's the deal. With iOS 17.1, your iPhone or certain Apple Watch models using watchOS 10.1 can share your contact info with another device running these versions. But wait, it's not what you think. The police might say it's a big concern, but here's why they're wrong. First off, for NameDrop to work, these 4 things must happen. Both devices must be unlocked. So no worries if your device brushes against someone's while it's in your pocket and locked. No contact info will be shared. The tops of both devices need to be super close, like almost touching. It's not a from across the room kind of thing. Both users get a prompt and must actively choose to share or receive. It's not automatic, you're in control. And the final point, at any stage, if either person pulls away their device or hits the lock button, the process stops immediately. Your contact info stays safe. Apple's not just throwing your digits around, there's security, and you have control. Now, if you're not planning to use NameDrop, here's how to turn it off. Go to Settings, tap General, tap AirDrop, toggle. Bring devices together off. This way, you stay in charge of who gets your info and when. Got more tech myths you want busted, or questions about NameDrop? Drop a comment. And don't forget to like, follow, and share for more tech truths and cybersecurity tips.